In this lesson, we'll look at how the StreamCat application retrieves and displays stream session playback metrics. In Lesson 7.1, we saw how StreamCat captures playback and session metrics during a live stream and persists that data to the database. Let's see how that data is queried and displayed to a user so they can gain insight into their streams and viewers. StreamCat aggregates and provides insight into the following metric categories in the user's dashboard for all of their live streams: viewers, chat messages, viewer browsers, viewer operating system, playback quality, playback latency, playback buffer, and playback bitrate. The following query is used to retrieve stream viewers over time. The data is aggregated at a 5-minute or 300-second interval. This data is used to create a line chart in the user's dashboard for each stream. The following query is used to retrieve chat messages over time. The data is aggregated at a 5-minute or 300 seconds interval. This data is presented in a bar chart. The following query is used to retrieve viewer browsers. This data is presented as a pie chart. This query is used to retrieve viewer operating systems, and this data is also presented in a pie chart. Playback quality is retrieved via this query. Once again, this data is presented as a pie chart. This query is used to retrieve playback latency. This data is also aggregated at a 5-minute interval. Playback latency data is presented as a line chart. This query is used to retrieve playback buffer. Again, this data is aggregated at a 5-minute interval, and this data is also presented as a line chart. This query is used to retrieve playback bitrate. Once again, this data is aggregated at a 5-minute interval. This data is presented as a line chart. In this lesson, we learned how the StreamCat application queries playback and session metric data from the database. This data is presented to stream broadcasters so that they can gain insight into their stream viewers. Your application may choose to aggregate the data at a higher level to gain insight into your application viewers, technology choices, and the performance of your users' streams. This lesson concludes this course. I sincerely hope that you have found the content in this course valuable and that you've learned something new about building live streaming applications with Amazon Interactive Video Service. To learn more about Amazon IVS, check out ivs.rocks. And thank you for viewing.